Ultimate Keto Diet Grocery List. If you're starting keto and you walk into the grocery store with no plan, it can feel overwhelming fast. There are low-carb labels everywhere. Expensive keto snacks on every shelf. Vegetables you've never cooked before. Oils, cheeses, meats, powders, sweeteners. And suddenly keto feels complicated before you even get home. Today, I'm going to give you the ultimate keto diet grocery list, simple, beginner-friendly, realistic, and built for weight loss. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to buy, what to skip, what to keep in your fridge, what to keep in your freezer, and how to build a keto kitchen that makes staying on track easier. Here's one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They get excited, go grocery shopping, and buy everything that looks healthy. A bag of strange vegetables. 5 different flours. 3 sweeteners. 10 keto-friendly packaged snacks. A giant cart full of foods they don't know how to use. Then the food sits there. The vegetables spoil. The snacks disappear too fast. The grocery bill feels painful. And the person thinks, maybe keto is too hard. But keto is not supposed to start with confusion. It should start with a simple foundation. Clear out the sugar. Remove the starches. Stop relying on processed foods. Then stock your kitchen with real foods you already know how to use. That is where keto becomes easier. Before we start, comment below, Keto Grocery, if you want more simple keto shopping lists, meal prep ideas, and beginner weight loss plans. And tell me your biggest grocery struggle. Do you buy too many snacks? Do you not know which vegetables to choose? Do you feel confused by labels? Or do you get home and still feel like you have nothing to eat? Your answer helps me create more realistic videos for real people with real kitchens. Now let's build your keto grocery list. Welcome to the channel, where we make keto simple, realistic, and built for real-life weight loss. Rule number 1, don't buy a keto fantasy kitchen. The first rule is simple, do not buy a kitchen full of foods you don't know how to cook. This is where beginners waste money. You do not need to buy every low-carb ingredient on the internet. You do not need 10 different specialty flours. You do not need a freezer full of exotic meats. You need foods you can actually turn into meals. Start with what you know. If you already cook eggs, buy eggs. If you like chicken, buy chicken. If you eat salads, buy salad ingredients. If you enjoy burgers, make bunless burger bowls. If you love salmon, use salmon. The best keto grocery list is not the fanciest one. It is the one you will actually use. That is an emotional shift. You are not trying to prove you can do perfect keto. You are trying to make your life easier. Rule number 2, clean out the pantry first. Before you add new foods, remove the foods that keep pulling you back. Look at your pantry and be honest. If there are cookies, crackers, cereal, chips, candy, pasta, bread, sugary granola bars, soda, and high-carb snacks sitting there, you are asking your willpower to fight all day. And willpower gets tired. So your first grocery step is not shopping. It is clearing space. Remove the sugar. Remove the starches. Remove the foods that trigger just one bite. This does not mean shame. It means protection. You are protecting your future self on a tired night when cravings show up. A clean pantry creates a calmer mind. And a calmer mind makes better choices. Rule number 3, build your freezer first. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful keto tools, your freezer. Frozen foods are perfect for beginners because they do not spoil quickly, they save money, and they give you backup options. Start with frozen protein, ground beef, chicken thighs, chicken wings, steak, salmon, cod, shrimp, turkey burgers. Choose the best quality you can afford, but do not let perfection stop you. Grass-fed, wild-caught, organic, those are great when possible. But the most important thing is having real low-carb food available. A frozen pack of chicken thighs is better than a perfect plan you never start. Now add frozen vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower rice, Brussels sprouts, green beans, spinach, zucchini blends. Frozen vegetables are a beginner's best friend. You can throw them into a pan with butter or olive oil, add salt, and suddenly you have a keto side dish in minutes. This is how you stop saying, there's nothing to eat. Rule number 4, stock your protein staples. Keto meals are easier when protein is ready. Your grocery list should include reliable protein staples like eggs, ground beef, chicken thighs, salmon, sardines, tuna, steak, turkey patties, pork chops, shrimp. Protein helps your meals feel complete. It supports muscle. It helps with satiety. And it makes keto feel less like a snack diet and more like real eating. If you are over 30, 40, or 50, this matters even more. Because the goal is not just to lose weight. The goal is to lose fat while keeping strength, energy, and confidence. Here's a simple beginner trick: choose 3 proteins for the week. 1 for breakfast. 1 for lunch. 1 for dinner. For example, eggs for breakfast. Chicken for lunch. Ground beef or salmon for dinner. That one decision can simplify your whole week. Rule number 5, add low-carb vegetables. You'll actually eat vegetables matter on keto. But again, do not buy vegetables just because someone online said they are healthy. Buy the ones you will actually use. Great beginner keto vegetables include spinach, romaine lettuce, cucumber, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, avocado, tomatoes in reasonable amounts, Brussels sprouts. Cabbage is a great budget food because it lasts a long time. Spinach is great for eggs, smoothies, and quick skillets. Cucumber and lettuce are perfect for salads and wraps. Cauliflower rice can replace rice in bowls. Avocado adds fat, fiber, and creaminess. Here's a new activity: create your keto vegetable rotation. Pick 3 fresh vegetables for this week and 2 frozen vegetables for backup. That's it. This keeps your fridge simple and reduces food waste. Keto should not make you feel guilty because a drawer full of vegetables went bad. Rule number 6, choose healthy fats that make meals satisfying on keto. Fat helps make meals satisfying. But fat quality matters. Add these staples to your grocery list: butter, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, coconut cream, MCT oil if you use it carefully, avocados, olives, full fat dressing with clean ingredients. Use fat to cook vegetables. Use fat to make salads satisfying. Use fat to help meals feel complete. But remember, fat is a tool, not a challenge. You do not need to drown every meal in oil. If your goal is weight loss, use fat to control hunger, not to chase a number. That mindset keeps keto smarter, lighter, and more sustainable. Rule number 7, be smart with dairy. Dairy can be helpful on keto, but it can also become easy to overeat. Good options include full-fat cheese, sour cream, plain full-fat Greek yogurt if the carbs fit, heavy cream in small amounts, cream cheese, feta, parmesan. Look for simple ingredients. Avoid processed cheese slices that are mixed with fillers or low-quality ingredients. And watch your portions. Cheese is delicious. But cheese can turn into a snack habit fast. So use dairy for flavor and satisfaction, not as something to graze on all day. Rule number 8, choose snacks that don't turn into grazing. Let's be honest. Beginners often ask, what keto snacks can I buy? But the better question is, what snacks help me stay in control? Good keto snack options include boiled eggs, cheese sticks, olives, sardines, tuna packets, avocado, macadamia nuts, walnuts, pepperoni or deli meat with no added sugar, celery with cream cheese. But snacks should be a backup, not a lifestyle. If you are snacking all day, you may need bigger meals, more protein, more electrolytes, or better meal timing. Create a craving emergency box. Put a few safe keto options in one place: tuna packets, nuts, olives, beef sticks with no sugar, electrolytes, a small dark chocolate square if it does not trigger cravings. This is not weakness. This is strategy. You are preparing for the moment when motivation is low. Rule number 9, read labels on condiments and sauces. Condiments can quietly sabotage keto. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, salad dressings, marinades, flavored yogurts, and many sauces can hide sugar. Your keto condiment list should include mustard, hot sauce, avocado oil mayo, olive oil dressing, vinegar, lemon juice, pickles with no added sugar, sugar-free relish if ingredients are clean. Be careful with mayonnaise made from soybean oil or canola oil if you are trying to improve fat quality. And always check for hidden sugar. A healthy-looking sauce can turn a low-carb meal into a carb trap. Here's the rule: the front label is marketing. The back label is truth. Rule number 10, keep simple keto baking and treat ingredients optional. You do not need keto baking ingredients on day 1. But once you are consistent, you may want simple options for treats or low-carb replacements. Useful pantry items include almond flour, coconut flour, chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, unsweetened shredded coconut, cocoa powder, nut butter with no added sugar, dark chocolate, 80% cocoa or higher, stevia or monk fruit in concentrated form. But be careful. Keto cookies are still cookies. Keto treats can help some people stay consistent, but they can also keep cravings alive for others. So use them intentionally, not emotionally. The goal is freedom from cravings, not a keto version of constant dessert. Rule number 11. Drinks that keep keto simple. Your keto drink list can be simple. Water. Sparkling water. Black coffee. Unsweetened tea. Herbal tea with no added sugar. Electrolyte water. If you want something flavored, choose options without sugar or artificial junk when possible. And if you use sweeteners, use them carefully. Sometimes the sweet taste keeps the craving cycle alive. So pay attention to your body. Does it help you stay on track? Or does it make you want more sweets? That awareness is part of becoming successful with keto. Rule number 12. Create a no-cooking keto shelf. Here is a fresh idea. Create a shelf in your fridge or pantry called the no-cooking keto shelf. This is where you keep foods you can eat without cooking when life gets busy. Examples: boiled eggs, tuna packets, sardines, cheese, olives, pre-washed greens, rotisserie chicken, avocado, cucumber, deli meat with no added sugar. This shelf is for tired nights, busy mornings, stressful afternoons, the moment when you want to quit. Because when you have a no-cooking option, you are less likely to order something that pulls you away from your goal. This is how you make keto fit real life. Rule number 13. The ultimate beginner keto grocery list. Now let's put it all together. Your beginner keto grocery list can look like this: proteins, eggs, ground beef, chicken thighs, salmon, tuna, sardines, shrimp, steak, turkey patties, vegetables, spinach, romaine, cucumber, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, bell peppers, avocado, Brussels sprouts, healthy fats, butter, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut cream, olives, avocados, dairy, full-fat cheese, feta, parmesan, sour cream, plain Greek yogurt if it fits your carbs, snacks and backup foods: boiled eggs, tuna packets, sardines, nuts, cheese sticks, olives, pepperoni with no added sugar, condiments: mustard, hot sauce, avocado oil, mayo, vinegar, lemon juice, pickles, olive oil dressing. Optional baking and treats: almond flour, chia seeds, flax seeds, unsweetened coconut, cocoa powder, dark chocolate 80% or higher, stevia or monk fruit. Drinks: water, sparkling water, coffee, unsweetened tea, electrolytes. That list is enough to build breakfasts, lunches, dinners, snacks, and emergency meals. You do not need everything at once. Start with 1 week. Start simple. Let your confidence grow. What happens without the right grocery list? Now imagine trying keto with the wrong kitchen. The pantry still has cookies. The freezer is empty. The fridge has vegetables you don't know how to use. The only keto food available is a packaged snack bar. You are tired after work. You are hungry. And the takeout app is one tap away. That is when people think, I have no discipline. But maybe discipline was never the real problem. Maybe your kitchen was not set up to support you. Now imagine the opposite. Your freezer has protein. Your fridge has eggs, avocado, greens, and cheese. Your pantry has tuna, sardines, nuts, olive oil, and clean condiments. Your no-cooking shelf is ready. Your emergency snack box is waiting. Suddenly, keto feels less scary, less confusing, more doable. And when your environment supports your goal, weight loss becomes easier to repeat. So here is your action step. Do not buy everything on this list today. Pick one section. Clean your pantry. Stock your freezer. Buy 3 proteins. Choose 5 vegetables. Upgrade your fats. Create your no-cooking keto shelf. Build your emergency snack box. Comment below. My keto grocery step is. And tell me what you are going to do first. If you want more beginner keto grocery lists, meal plans, meal prep ideas, and weight loss strategies, subscribe to the channel and hit like so this video reaches someone who feels overwhelmed at the grocery store. Remember, keto gets easier when your kitchen is ready before your cravings arrive. You do not need a perfect pantry. You need a practical one. Real food. Simple staples. Low-carb vegetables. Good protein. Healthy fats. Clean condiments. Backup options. Start with what you know. Add new food slowly. Build confidence one grocery trip at a time. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video on your screen if you want a 7-day keto meal prep plan for beginners. I'll see you in the next one.